Alright, hey, what is going on, guys? Dwayne Gibson here, and welcome to Gibson's Beard Adventures. And on my channel, you're going to find beard product reviews. We talk about some beard stuff, do some beard mail and unboxings. Also got some stop motion that I do with the beard products, making interviews and little skits and such. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be, all about beards here on this channel. So if that's something that sounds like you're interested in, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can get updated every time I post some new content. So for today, I got a beard product review for you for a company that's right here in my home state of Missouri. And that is Oil and Beard Beards. This is the business card and instructions that came with it. But let me show you all this, okay? Got a nice sticker here. Show you all this sticker. This is cool. Yep, a bear with a beard. That is just freaking awesome. Along with a poker chip. Alright, I love this poker chip. That is just freaking awesome, y'all. Pretty cool. And then the balm came with this little scraper here, and I'll show you why here in just a little bit. Now, just a little bit about the company. Oil and Beard Beards, as I said, is right here in my home state of Missouri, just over on the other side. The owners' names are Keith and Cynthia, and they make all organic beard products. Okay, on their site they have beard oils, beard balms, beard butters, and beard washes, and they also offer a sample kit. And as of currently looking at the website this morning, it is free shipping on all domestic orders. And I will go over the pricing here in just a little bit. So let's go over this oil right fast. And this is the Perk Bear I got. I'll show you all this right fast here. Alright, absolutely love this label. Alright, it's got the coffee beans in the background. Now this is cold infused with French Carmel Cream Coffee. And then over here we have the ingredients. Let me get y'all a better shot of that. Everything in here is organic. Alright, I can read all that off. Alright, we have organic jojoba, organic argan, organic sweet almond, organic coconut oil, and infused with French Caramel Cream Coffee. Now, the consistency of this, I would say, is about a medium consistency. It's got a yellow tint there, and that's probably from the cold infusion or the organics. I have no clue. A couple drops in hand there. Show you all that. Nice little medium run. Now, the scent on this, I'll go ahead and tell you this right fast. This is a French Caramel Cream Coffee. This is exactly what you're going to get. It's a light scent. It's not overbearing. It's not overpowering. It's just a really nice scent. And it had about a 2.5 hour duration for me. Now, for the beard balm here, alright, same labeling style with the coffee beans in the background. Now this says here that this is a medium hold balm. There are the ingredients right there. But honestly, I would say this is probably about a medium firm. Now, I'll read these ingredients off for you right fast. We got organic Missouri beeswax, organic shea butter, organic jojoba oil, organic coconut, sweet almond, and cold infused with French Caramel Cream Coffee. Now, show you what this little pick thingy here was for. That's for this balm. That's a firm balm right there, y'all. And I don't ever use this. I can actually still, with enough pressure, I can still get it out with my thumbnail. Alright, it's a nice yellow balm. Absolutely love the hold and feel and beard of this. Absolutely. It's great. Now, I don't really smell the coffee in the balm. I do smell the beeswax in there, which is okay because now I found out I do like the smell of the beeswax. It's got a sweetness to it. I do like it. But as far as it goes, when it's mixed with that, I can still smell that caramel cream coffee, and it smells pretty good. Honestly, feeling beard on both of these products is absolutely great. Love it. Now, the price of a 1 ounce oil is going to cost $15. The price of a 2 ounce balm is going to cost $15, or you can get a combo for $25, which I think is a pretty good deal. And as I said in the beginning, they're offering free shipping on all domestic orders at this current moment. Now, they do have butters, beard wash, and a sample kit, which the butters are $16, the beard wash is $16, and you can get a sample kit for $9, which I think is pretty awesome. You'll be able to try out all the scents. Now, absolutely would recommend this company to y'all. Great pricing, great feeling beard. Love the look, love the style. All organic, definite plus. So, if y'all are still out there buying some products, definitely check out Lone Bear Beards. I promise you won't be disappointed with the way it feels. So, hope y'all are keeping your hands washed. Don't be touching your face, things like that. I know it's a real crazy time right now, so I'm not going anywhere. I'm here for y'all. Drop me a comment down in the comment section. You can follow me over on Instagram. I'll communicate with you over there too. And until next time, be safe, have a good one, and live every day as an adventure.